Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this, a really cool and compact air purification system that works great for your home and for pets, and I'm loving the fact that it has this great night mode on here that blacks everything out. In fact, if you can't hear this right now, that's incredible because it is on and it is actually blowing quite a bit of air out of this even in night mode. So even if you're going to be sleeping next to this thing, you're not even going to hear it, which is great. If you did want to turn it on, you just simply can adjust the amount of fan level that it has, and it has several levels. It's got a low, a medium, high, and then like kind of a turbo mode that's on here. And it does monitor the air quality in the room, which is neat because it has this little LED indicator here that shows anywhere from good to poor air quality. Currently it's good in this room here. And so it sucks all the air in from the back. It does have a really nice air grill on the back of this that gives plenty of airflow into the back. Long cord that plugs into a standard 110. And loving the fact that this thing is so easy to change out, because they actually send you with two full sets. They actually came back here, and all you had to do is you remove both of those sets from in here, and there's these little tabs that you then fold up. They pop up like this, then you insert your air filter in. And these are great filters because they are built extremely well. Foam on the outside, nice mesh on the back. You've got the carbon for the smell, you've got the HEPA for the air, and you've even got a washable piece that you can pull this part off and even wash like pet hair and stuff off of this pre-filter in your sink. So that's going to add a lot of longevity to this. And once you get this thing put on here, that little pull tabs there so you can remove it. So very simple to do, very simple to maintain and take care of. And the fact that they send you with a whole extra set is going to give you an extra 6 months worth of use out of this, which is going to be incredible because a lot of companies don't do that. And so that's where a lot of the cost ends up coming in, is you have to keep rebuying those filters. They provide you with a whole extra set, which I really like. Liking the slimline design. This would easily fit next to a bed or like in between even a nightstand or something like that. So really incredible on that. You do have your child lock, and you've got a 2, 4, and 8 hour timer on here, so you've got lots of versatility with that. Or you've got an automatic mode that will automatically detect whether it smells smoke, pet dander, whatnot, and it will automatically ramp up or slow down, kind of helping with some of the energy savings on that as well. So a lot of really cool things built into this little tiny package. Loving everything about it, and thank you guys again for sending it.